Hi everybody, this is Whemenoc Alarms, and today I am showing you the Whemenoc HSPW or H5PW 24 strobe plate with the MT4 horn. So this is actually a rare alarm that came out of an actual building. This alarm is 36 years old, so whatever building it was in, that's 36 years old too, most likely. It's from New York. So the company brand, whatever you want to call it, is Whemenoc for both of them. The only thing rare and doesn't exist on the internet anymore, somehow, I don't know, is the HS or H5CW 24 strobe plate, which is this and that. Those two, they don't exist anymore. So I'm really happy to have this alarm. I mean, sure they exist, but not on the internet. I don't know if there's any other alarm collectors that have this alarm. That's cool. So the MT4 horn is on slow loop, so that's what we're going to be testing today, and I hope you enjoy it.